In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. I'm your teacher of subject English. My name is Humaira. Let's start today's lecture. And dear students, today is 9th of December 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Okay, today is 9th of December 2020 and day is Wednesday. Let's move ahead to see the topic of today's lecture. It's Unit 7 Glowworms, which is a poem. Okay, it's Unit 7 Glowworms, यानी कि जुगनू चमकते हुए कीड़े, which is a poem given on your textbook page number 65. Okay, here you can see the topic fill in the blanks. Topic is fill in the blanks. Okay, before going to the question number 3, which is given on page 67, let me give you a brief short theme of the glowworms. What actually was story? Okay, कि story में actually क्या था? So dear students, please let me recall everything so you can remind and you can recall the theme of the glowworms. Okay, it actually comprises on the small insects having glowworms having light on their back. Okay, means ऐसे कीड़े हैं जो कि जिनके अंदर से लाइट निकलती है. ओके, विच इज़ कोल्ड ग्लो वर्म्स और इन उर्दू वी कैन कॉल इट जुगनू और चमकते हुए कीड़े. ठीक है, you can see here in the picture the poet who just fell off because he got scared to see a lot of dozens of glowworms in his room. Okay, actually he was sitting on the chair and he just got scared when he saw one glowworm entering in his room, and then more and more got enter in his room, and which were actually dancing in the air and racing up the stairs. Okay, that's why the poet got scared. Means the boy got scared and he fell off from his chair. Okay, now let's move to the question. Alright students, if you go to the page number 66, so dear students, please open your books as well. There is a page number 66 of your textbook. You can see here we are going to talk about the picture which is of animals, which comprises on animals. Okay, you can see in this picture there are a lot of animals. Actually they are marching into the zoo, and you can see the boy who is wearing red shirt in the right side, and he is standing beside the big board which is written on zoo. ठीक है, वहाँ पे zoo का एक board लगा हुआ है, sign है, there is a sign which shows that it's a zoo picture, कि ये zoo की picture है. Okay, alright students, let me read the whole statements one by one. The animals marching into the zoo, यानी कि जो एनिमल्स है ना वो सब मार्च करें into the zoo. मार्च मीनिंग यानी कि एक दूसरे के पीछे लाइन में आ रही है. ठीक है, दे आर मार्चिंग into the zoo. जैसे हम स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं ना किसी भी एंथम पे, द सेम वे दे आर मार्चिंग ऑन द into the zoo. ओके, आर द एलिफेंट एंड द कैंगरू, क्या एलिफेंट भी है और क्या कैंगरू भी है. द लाइन इज़ देयर, लाइन भी है, एंड सो इज़ द बियर, और इसी तरह वहाँ पे बियर भी है. एंड द टॉल जिराफ एंड द टॉल जिराफ हिज हेड इन द एयर, और एक लंबा जिराफ और उसका हेड जो है इन द एयर, हवा में है. ठीक है, लुक एट द एंड ऑफ द behind the line there is a giraffe. Okay, and giraffe is like it's so tall because of its neck. Okay, that's why it's been prominenting in the air. Well students, and if you see on the left side there are two boys who are getting happy. Okay, in the first line, first of all there is a deer, and then bear, and then horse, and then tiger, and then camel, and then kangaroo, and then elephant and lion, and finally giraffe. Okay, now here you can see the picture of the question which is given on page 67. Fill in the blanks use the words in the box below. There are some words given in front of you. Number 1 is the children, animal, kangaroo, the side of, between. Again I am repeating, children, animal, बच्चे, जानवर, kangaroo is the name of an animal, the side of, एक side पे, between, दरमियान. Okay, these are the word bank, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 statement fill up given in front of you. You have to fill these fill up with the given words. Okay, the camel is an dash. The camel is an dash, यानी कि camel क्या है? The camel is an, what is camel? Camel क्या है? Children है, animal है, kangaroo है, the side of है, between है. ठीक है, you have to guess. Number second is the dash is behind the camel. The picture which I just show you, if you see that picture, so there you would realize that where is the who is behind the camel. Okay, camel के पीछे कौन है? Number third is the children are at dash the road. The children यानी कि बच्चे, you can see the children are at dash the road, यानी कि road के किस side पे. Next is the bear is dash the deer and the horse, यानी कि जो bear है वो किसके दरमियान में है? deer और horse. ठीक है, now I'm repeating the statements along with the answer. The camel, but you have to see the picture. You have to come to this page 66. Okay, first statement is the camel is an, what is an camel? Camel क्या है? तो camel is an animal. Camel जो है एक animal है. So आपने, you have to give answer on the first statement, animal. The camel is an animal. Number 2, you can see here the dash is behind the camel. If we go back to the picture, the dash is behind the camel. So camel के पीछे कौन है? Who is behind at the camel? Camel के पीछे कौन है? Kangaroo. The kangaroo is behind the camel. So B answer is kangaroo. C statement, the children are at dash the road. Now again go back to the picture. The children are at dash the road, यानी कि बच्चे कहाँ हैं? बच्चे रोड की साइड पे हैं. रोड पे तो एनिमल्स मार्च कर रहे हैं. सो द चिल्ड्रन आर एट द साइड ऑफ द रोड. ठीक है, you have to write here the side of. Number D is the dash are watching the animals. The dash are watching the animals, यानी कि कौन देख रहा है एनिमल्स को? ऑफ कोर्स द चिल्ड्रन. द चिल्ड्रन आर वॉचिंग द एनिमल. जो बच्चे हैं वो एनिमल्स को देख रहे हैं. Last is the bear is dash the deer and the horse. Now let's move back to the picture. The dash is the bear is dash the deer and the horse. Now you can see here, if you zoom the picture, there is a bear. Bear कहाँ पे है? The bear is dash the deer and the horse, यानी कि उसके first पे deer है and then behind bear there is a horse. तो क्या है? The bear is between. bear जो है वो दरमियान में है, the deer and the horse. ठीक है, तो आंसर है the bear is between the deer and the horse. From this way you have to fill these given statements. Okay, here you go, you can see the answers: animal, kangaroo, the side of, children and between. Okay students, so the homework is that you have to do question number 3 on page 67. This is your homework. I hope that you enjoyed it, but make sure that you are elaborating the picture which is given on 66 page. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.